Hi, in this video I want to demonstrate how we convert this high converting SaaS landing page to Elementor. Very easy, pretty fast. I like the template very, to be honest. Yeah, this template completely free, that I will leave a link to this template in the description to this video. Also, I will leave already developed this landing page to the description, this link, this one. If you fill out this form, you can get already developed this landing page. We will send you template and you can just import and you will get. But I would recommend you do all steps with me. You will learn something new, you will learn how to develop it, etc, and it's much better. My name is Yevhen, I am WordPress developer, and let's do it. Before starting development, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. And again, I want to remind that I will leave this link to the description in this video. It's template where you can find this template. Here you can download already development template. Yeah, and on this page I will develop everything, and you can see demo version on this page. Yeah, so we are ready to development. We start from clean Elementor. I just want to say that everything, all setups by default here. What's not default? It is layout. This is I don't remember which default, but I think it's not default. And here is padding 0. And gap is 0. It's much better for me organize everything than have spaces or on container paddings or gaps. Yeah, and let's check this for content, because I think it's more bigger than we have default. Yeah, it's better, it's good. This one with, but we will set up manually because we developed many templates on this website and we will set up manually, but better set up one time here and that's all. But this landing page, we can forget about it. Yes, and I think that's all from settings. Yeah, and the first step, let's go from exporting images from the template. We take this template. Let's go. Here, let's check logo. We see that it's vector and text. So in result, we can export it as SVG logo, because SVG logo will be more quality than PNG logo. But do you see it's width like bigger? We can do it smaller. Yeah, so we turn on design part. Design tools, and let's do. Okay, so we need to do smaller. They do wider just for align header text, and that's all. We can do smaller, and let's go export SVG logo. What next? And I come back for default visual images. Images is also interesting point, because here there is like on background this wave, but it's I don't know how we realize it, because WordPress very bad work with typical SVG, because they don't like it. And about images also we can export. I don't want export by one, of course is a better way. For example, export it each and collect them, but to be honest, it's a lot of work and I don't want to do it. Also, here is like shadow on sections. For example, here shadow, and it's create more size for images, but I think it's the correct way to do export these 3 images. And what I do usually I copy, paste, move to around, for example, aside, then I click K, it's resize, and resize, for example, for 1.6. For what I do, because if I export this image, I will optimize it and paste on website will be very bad quality, and in result I manually move out from page. I resize to bigger and optimized. Also, I know there is a way, for example, export like this one, but this not provides this quality which I want, to be honest. For example, if I export this one 1.5x, and for example, if I resize to 1.5, this quality will be better than this one. It's from my experience. Maybe I am not correct, but from my experience it was always worse. I mean quality, like exporting like this one, for example. Yeah, so here we export PNG because we have transparent background, and for example hero image. Then what we have? We have this blur and these two waves. To be honest, I don't know how it will work, but let's try to export to SVG, or we can do even PNG. PNG a very huge size, if I'm not mistaken. Let's try wave, gradient, wave. Is it correct? Wave, like this one, yeah. And let's check size. It's just interesting for me. Yeah, do you see? It's huge. But we can try SVG as well. And for example, we can optimize PNG a little bit, and maybe it will be better. But do you see wave SVG? It's like 4 kilobytes comparing with PNG of 400 kilobytes. It's very huge different. Yeah, here icon. Of course, better to realize it through CSS. It's everything, but it's huge size of work and easier to export. Like depending on this part, what is image or vector? Yeah, vector. It is vector. So let's go here, export, bookmark icon. Just check that it's correcting exporting. Yeah, correcting exporting. Let's go. Atom. Time. What next? Here. How export these images? Because we need to export somehow, and it's applying like similar cases, not like for each images setup, manual setup, background. I like it because it's very clear. Okay, let's go like with this one. First of all, I need bottom, and now we will think what we do with this one. Okay, development, it's everything, like thinking how to do it better. It's okay. For example, I remove images, and now what I do, I resize, click K, resize 1.8, even 2x. It's okay for me. Then what I do border radius. Do you see? Here is border. I needed it. I will set up it manually on in Elementor. Yeah, but in this case I will get much better size because I will export it as JPEG. background 1, for example, background 2, background 3. Here. Okay, I think I can export like this one, how it is, and that's all. It will be okay as well. 2x, and just move here for border 0 and export. Big 1, big 2. I demonstrate it for you because sometimes exporting is also questionable. I mean, there is question, and demonstrate how possible to do. This background, let's check how it is. Background, but these waves. Okay, let's check what will be with top waves. Then we will do these waves. Here image is the same. I copy, move to design, copy, resize like 6, border 0, talking people, that's all. Here, what I need, this one, small, this one, resize 2.5, and export as PNG, people, oh, okay, it's okay. Here, arrows, I think we will need to export them, and it looks like the first one, it's default state, this one hover, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's something like that. And for slider, if I'm not mistaken, we can export this one. Okay, let's go. We export SVG. Left arrow. But how we will do hover state? Okay, we will think later about it. Left arrow icon. And now what we need to do, we need to rotate it. Like this one. Yeah, and now SVG right. I think through CSS we will realize this thing, because it will be SVG, and through CSS we will realize it. This icon. SVG what icon. Okay. Here portraits. I don't think that we need to use this one because it's like testimonials. I don't see a reason to use this one. Very strange section for me. Maybe it's hover, but it's also hover very strange because the same image. Yeah, so I will develop only these sections. Yeah, and for example, what I need to pick each of this image. What I do, I select one image, then for example I click shift, and I a lot of time click for choosing only this item as well. And the same I do with this one. I click shift, and now I just click many times to this section. Yeah, and now copy, paste, and move to this one for exporting. Okay, K, 2x, yeah, and for example, it will be testimonial 1, testimonial 2, testimonial 3. Test 1. Test 2. Test 3. Okay, now here what we have, logo we have already, follow us, this last icon, arrow, top, right icon, that's all. Yeah, this we will get from default widget. Yeah, I think that's all. Exporting is also important as well, need to we should do it and we can't avoid this step. And now we go to last step for image. I optimize them on this website because we can set up it default optimization plugin on your website, but I do it manually because I like it more, plus better optimizations than some different plugins. Yeah, so and here I just pick not SVG items because SVG we didn't optimize. Yeah, and optimize, and for example all images size was 2.7 megabytes. In the result we will get less than 500 kilobytes. SaaS LP. Okay, close. Yeah, for me interesting how to optimize. Do you see we optimize PNG wave? Do you see this one? It's very bad, it doesn't work for us. Yeah, and we will need to try SVG. Yeah, so first step, exporting images, I think is done. Next step, set up fonts and colors for this template. For example, main black color, this one. Let's set up edit, dev mode. For example, what I propose, we can set up colors in global colors. It will be easier to reuse it. And for example, we go global colors, it's default, and then I add, for example, it's my SaaS template. For example, number 4, because it's my not number 3. Black. Done. Number 3, red. Number 3, red. Let's copy this one. Of course, sometimes we can set up manually color, but usually we will set up it, for example, by template. This one, yeah, and text color. Number 3, gray. It's for text usually. Background, I don't know. Do we need it or not? Bege. Okay. Let number 3, bege, gray, bege. Like this one, and here gray text. Okay. And white. Need to add 3 white. I think it will be like this one. Let's recheck. Yeah, it's not white. Do you see here? Oh, it's close. Oh, cancel. Like this one. Okay. Do we have something yet? 6? No. Do you see here some another color? But I would not set up it if we not use. Yeah. if we use sometime once, I would not set up in template. It's regarding colors. Now we need to set up fonts. Save. It's important. Let's go to not fonts, typography. For typography, not typography, we should do here. Yeah. For example, it's our hero we can set up manually. We have H2 and we can set up everything because it's repeating many times here, many times. It is H2 Poppins. Number 3 H2 size 54 pixel 1.3 am is line high, and yeah, and that's all. We will not set up this space, and 50 and 500 it's font weight. Yeah, and let's set up Poppins 54. By name I will understand which size. 1.3, and I need to turn on copy feature. One moment. Ready in jump cut, it means like I can copy in memory value and paste, and I see. Okay, it's regarding it. It's for H2. What we have yet? We have number 3. H3 should be this small red. In theory, to be honest, it should be H2, this should be H3, but I don't want care about it now. In a real project, we should care about it. On this project, for where I demonstrate you development process, not SEO optimization, I don't care about it. Yeah, so for example, here we have Poppins 16700 1.3. 16700 1.3. Poppins 6700 1.3 and this space. Done. Okay, what next? We have H4, for example. It can be H4, this one. Poppins H3, here H4 24 400 1.3. Yeah, Poppins 24 400 1.3 and size this one. Yeah, what we have yet, it's the same. Do you see? It's the same. Poppins and this Poppins. Yeah, but here is font way different. Yeah. I would do the same. It's H5. Yes, and this one. Here I would set up like this one. Poppins. It's boring, but it's help in future to do easier setup. $400, here is 500. Yeah. and text, of course, I need. Poppin 16 or 400. In future we can add some additional items, it's not a problem. 400 1.3. Yeah, done. I think that's all. For this case, I hope on it, because I already developed it, not only exporting, preparation, etc, etc. Again, I developed number 3, it's just my template number 3 from Figma to Elementor, and I use it, and here you can use just this template. Yeah, save. I think that's all. And button we will set up manually because it's a few buttons here, it's not a problem. We finished with this one and we can really start development. And let's go. What we have in background. Background for page looks like this one. Yes. Yeah, do you see it's like here? Not exist information on background. But if we click on each of section we have it. And let's do it. We click to page setting, and here it's possible set up background type. Background type ready. Yeah, I think that's all. Then flexbox default and set up paddings. Let's go. What we need for paddings? 36. It's like, do you see header is like in section 20 plus 16, 36. Okay, 36 top, bottom 16, because here is 60 plus 20, here is just 60. Left and width, this one, for 80. No, it's not correct. Here is we need click design. I can pick the first one, I can pick the last one, and then I can convert. Oh, it's not select. Yeah, which our width, real width. Okay, for all items we will set up this width by default. And also I will add always 20 pixel on left and on right side, because for not touching, for example, button to right border if it's smaller screen. Yeah, and for example here I need to set up width for content like this one. It's very important. Yeah, so and now let's go. Logo, do you see width 256. Image, upload, logo, SVG, 256. Max width the same. Do you see it's not correct? Okay, so here width should be like 122. But width here should be this one, like this. Yeah, correct. Then we have menu. For creating menu, what we need to do? Of course, we need to go to menu. We go to like, for example, go to admin panel. Here we have menu. Click create new menu. Header, menu, number 3 because my free project. Click, and now we need to, for example, if it's page, you can set up page. For now I set up like home, feature. Maybe later we will set up to section if it's section. That's all. Yeah, and we save. Done. Okay, now we come back to page, click plus, menu. But of course it's not exist. Why? Because we created page after we created menu after opening this page. We need to reload page. When we reload page, we will see menu. Ready. Then we need 2 buttons, login and this one part. Okay, let's start from login. We need to click plus. We need to be honest, for better aligning this everything, plus 1 container, because, and now we can add here 2 buttons. In this case it will be easier to align it's everything. I will demonstrate later why it's happening, but just for information. Login. Here we have pop-ins, for example, typography. We can pick this one, color, we can pick black. For background we set up transparent. It is like 0 in the end, for example 6 numbers, it can be any, and then transparent image color. Yes, and here is border. We have border with this color and border radius 40. Border radius 40, border type solid 1, and color here. Ready. And padding 20 and 20. Like this one. Yes, and I think it's not correct. Font weight 6. Yeah, even how it's easier, for example, set up it like general and then to fix with. That's all. It's why I love this type of development, like saving font settings. Yeah, this button login plus it should be this one. We copy, duplicate 14 days. Yes, background color now we set up red. This color, okay, this one white. Border color I think it's red, it's not how it was before. Yes, yeah, I think that's all. Container. Now we need to do in one row 2 buttons. We need to click layout for container. For container we need to set up row and gap 20, because here 20. Ready. Now how we need to align these 3 items, logo, menu and this one. Again we click to container, align by row and space between, like this one. Yeah, what's wrong with this item? Because this item has full width and 100%. It should be less, it should be 20, for example 280 in pixels. 280 pixels, and for example we can to the end, touch them to the end. Ready. Yeah, so now it's good, perfect. And now we need to header text to align. It's again font, this one, typography, this one, For active, do you see here active as font weight, this one we can set up only through CSS, but let's set up another cases and then we will fix it. Yeah, 20 and 20 here. Okay, point 0, horizontal 20, vertical 20, space between 8. Yes, and hover black, active black, because we font weight set up through CSS. Yes, and here custom selector. It's like applying for only this header menu to this element, set up any style. What I need, for example, I click publish for detecting CSS class, because I don't keep everything in my mind, all small details. Yeah, for example, do you see here we should find something active. How we connect that it's active? We can, it's like homepage. Okay, let's go to menu and page number 3, it will be as home and it will be detecting as we on this page. Home. It just, if you set up homepage and you will see a result, because now I can't, it's not displaying that we are on the same on homepage. Now do you see here we have element title active and current menu item. Let's go. I think that with this one it's good. Here selector, I click class and this one and font weight 700, important. Yeah, of course, to be honest, we should avoid important, but now I don't want to play with learning what I should rewrite. Menu item Lee, for example. Do you see it's now not applying? For example, Lee. Yeah, so, and we removed important. Now it's good. And for example, if it will be pages, and if you set up, for example, another pages, it will be bold another page, because another page will be active. Yeah, I think that's all. And for example, how it's working with resizing, do you see? And we set up 20 pixels and it's not touching here. And yeah, perfect. Let me on this page like this size. Header is done, and let's go to the next item. Next item we have like H1. We didn't set up it in font settings. Oh, okay, so which 80 pixels? Let's go. We remember here we should set up this width. No. Like this one on left side always 20, and here top 80, bottom 90. Yes. What next? Next it's image, it's text. Text, do you see as a width 941. This one, it's H1, it's important. Text color black. Typography, we can set up this one, but rewrite it should be 66. Here. And custom width, for example, to do smaller than 9, like this one. of course align by center, and we need to align these all elements by center because now it's to left side. And I go, why it's after reloading switching. Okay, here I should by center. Done. Okay, what we need to do red color. Of course we should, for example, what I do, I just cover in span, business finance, span, go to advanced, custom CSS, selector, span. For example, only for this span in this element I want color like this one. Great. And space 20 pixel. Then we need to add another paragraph. It's 721 with 721 by center. Set up this text, and typography, it's, if I'm not mistaken, this one, and color should be like gray text. Okay, and space 400. But font weight not correct. This one correct. Button. Okay, we can copy button from here, copy, paste. Here we have border. Border we see is border. I think yes, because it's RGB. Border. We also can set up not only hex colors, we can set up RGB as well. So we paste RGB. Yes, I think it's RGB, just need to understand 6 pixels. Yes, and for this one it's default color. Color white, background black. What we do, we can click I and pick this color. It's the easiest way. Let's close default. Yes, it's copy and set up. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, and size 60. Yes. Oh, here is image already. Okay, let's play with image. Yeah, and I already know that here will be this like line. Let's cover it in container because it will be an image and background, this curve. Yeah, let's click image because now I will the hero image. Yes, and very interesting what will be now with background curve. Let's go desktop, and here should be gradient wave. This one. Do you see? Nothing. Nothing, because WordPress doesn't like similar. What we can do? Let's try to add just SVG. HTML here. I can take here HTML. Yep, it's work, and plus it's another element here. Oh, but it's like we need somehow them group. But in the result I can't get code. Oh, okay. If I set up stronger color, maybe it can help? No, don't see it. Yeah, it's interesting, but let's set up width. Which width for image? 100. For container we set up bigger. For container we set up 100, 200. Yes. For image 95% and byte center. This one we set up full and position absolute. Yes, and we need to do like this one, because this should be, for example, I need to put image on first. It is like Z index, like this one. Yeah, I don't want to spend much time on it. It's a little similar, I mean, curve, etc, etc. Yeah, and I set up. Yeah, and image should be bigger. Image, yes, it's not correct. For container we set up full width, like this one. Okay, like 96. Okay, it's good. And we know that it's already on the top, so we should margin top minus like this one. This our color. We should move a little bit. Minus 50, 50, minus 50. No. Yes, something like that. Yeah, I see here that a lot of space, shadow created a lot of space here. So in the result, I don't need padding, like bottom here. I don't need this one because here shadow already created a lot of space. And now the main point, of course, we should set up 0, 0, z index 0, and for button, for this text, we should set up z index 3. It should be always on top. It should be clickable. Here clickable 3, and button 3. Yeah. Let's go publish. Yeah, it's clickable. Yeah, and it looks similar. Yeah, if we just add a little bit more contrast here, I just won't spend time much on it, but we have also this one and background. Yeah, so here what we have on border, for example, Yeah, it's 60. Okay, 74. Okay, I think with this section we finished and we should go forward. But before, need to drink cappuccino. Cappuccino, it's power for building websites. 20, 74, and bottom 76. Let's go 74. Usually for example, better to set up how it should be similar, not like, for example, in the future we will see a little bit different size and we will set up like standard, because it's not good to like have 74, 76. It should be, for example, 75. What we do with this one? With this one we should do like it's one column and it's one text. Here, container plus text. It's small one. Why I choose as? I choose as. It's H3. Typography H3 and color red. I love it. I love it. Okay, and margin bottom 10 pixel. Duplicate. It's H2. Black color. This one. And width, do you see 500? Container 500. It's for keeping into. So now to container we add paragraph. Paragraph for this one. Typography, paragraph, color, gray. Width, which width for this one? 300. Done. Now what we need to do for aligning in this way, we need for container row, space between, by center. Perfect. And it should be wrap. Why it should be wrap? Because if I add now next element, it will be this part. It should be how we organize. I think we just add one row, one container. Yeah, do you see what happened? And we need in result we add wrap. In this case it looks good. Yeah, and for example in this container we have gaps between elements, 24. Okay, but let's do without it. I will demonstrate why we do it. Okay, container, for this container we add another container. It's like child, this one. If I'm not mistaken, we have background, border. Oh, here is border. Let's go 1 pixel and 32 border radius. Okay, for this child item, let's name item for visible. Border 1 pixel, 1 RGB, like this one, and 32. Background color, have gray background. Yes, here icon 72, 96. Yes, correct. Add image. This free icon. This 96. by center, margin bottom 40 plus heading. Heading, what is this? It's 500. Is H what? H4. H4, correct. And color black by center. And we need this one as well. Paragraph, typography. Yes. 8. Yes. That's all? I think yes. Yeah, do you see with 326? Let's go set up with for it 326 and just align by center like this one. Yeah. Okay, and now we just need to duplicate it and 20 pixels for padding. Great. Okay, and let's duplicate this free item. Okay, it's in row. What we need to do, we need in column, in row, but also do you see we don't see space. Space is 24 pixels. We for parent container set up 24. For example, it should be in theory only for column. For row it should be 0, but we can keep because it doesn't matter. Yeah, and now let's copy paste these headings. Atom, it should be atom. And it's time. Great. Yeah, so I think that's all. Of course we need to add space. Space 40 pixel for parent for all of them. Top margin, top 40. Great. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, that's all. I love it. How it was fast. Publish. Let's check that we have it on page. Great. Yeah. Let's move forward. This one again, 20 pixels. Here like this with. Of course we can set up it by default, but I develop only one landing page for this with and isn't sense for me to set up it. Yeah, now we have interesting case, this one. Okay, let's go. We have again this one, even we can copy it. Copy, paste, copy, paste. We need space for it. What about space? 72. 72. Okay. I do how it is in design. 72, align by center, and here align by center. Ten pixel and 100 pixel. Here 10 pixel, perfect. In perfect fold it should be capitalized, it's not uppercase, should be from SEO optimization. And here width 1000 4 pixel, and let's go by center. Yes, right, and space 60 pixel from this one. 60 pixel. I think it's one section On background, we set up this image and set up just two headings. But what we do with high for resizing, it means like when it's smaller, do we keep high or not? In better case, we keep like proportion, but it's more harder to realize. And what we do with this one, it's the same case, and I think how it's better organized, because better 1 minute to think about it, then build it and just rebuild, because we will know the problem. Because I know from experience that what will be, and I know how better. Of course, we can set up image on background. Yeah, let's try this one. What we can do? Let's try new solution. I don't know how it will work, but we will try to keep proportion. We will set up like image in container. We will resize 100% and images like a bow on image. Yeah, it's something new. I like try new solution. Okay, it's border radius, it's the same. Okay, let's go from one item. How we can organize? It's 50 33 24 24. Better from sorting, better, for example, it's one container with sub items, 2 items, and then it will be with 3 sub items. Okay, so here we have image will be upload SaaS hero image. Let's start, all of them, doesn't matter. This one, it will be full image, it will be 100 pixel, size 100 pixel, and height will be 100. And it should be cover. Now we remove paddings like this one. Yes, border radius 32 exists. Border, here is border, this one. Let's go with this border. Oh, it exists here. Yeah. And this text. It's setting 0. This one is free, and this one is free. And we should set up it as position absolute. Because the problem is okay, it's in any case it's 2 rows and it will be okay. Oh, okay, let's go, let's try. Absolute bottom left 40 and bottom 84 40, and the same thing for here. Position absolute left 40, bottom 34. Yeah, but we have some space here. I don't understand. I have an image border? No. I just want to set up this image as background for why create space. Maybe space. Yeah, this one. Yeah, okay. So we for this, for heading 5 free custom free and our left, and here it will be the same. Yes, in theory. Oh no, 387 by left as well, and it is like real time, and it is this thing. But we have I need a little bit size 24. Yeah, let's plus 8 pixel. Okay, yeah, it's good. And let's go again item. Let's do. We replaced image. Yeah, and we set up in row. And 24 pixel if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Yeah, and publish. Very interesting how it will work with resizing. It is what I wanted, because if we would set up yeah, but border doesn't work, but we will fix now. If I would set up like item, I set up min high, for example 300, or which size 400. If I set up, if I would smaller, this would be keep high 400. In this case we got better result. Yeah, and we see that border not correct. Yeah, and for example here border, it's okay, but we see it. Why? Because we need layout, and we need set up additional option overflow hidden. Let's check that it's work correct. Yeah, but it's something wrong. Oh, we can auto default. We can for image stop search it to border, and that's all. For image border radius search it to, and here for image it's even better, because we keep border. Yeah, we see something bug with this one, but we can fix it later. I mean, you can fix it later. Yeah, and we need the same to do with this one. It will be easy because we just duplicate a row with this item, and it will be free item. That's all. And what I need copy all of them here. Better collaboration, protection, and item, duplicate, and here. Yeah, but I think we should size is the same. Yes. Okay. Space 24 pixel. Yes, we should for this container 24 pixel on the top. And here we should replace images. BG1, BG2, and BG3. and space. We should do smaller. Free. No, I can do it. I should do bigger. Oh, it's free row. Sorry. In result, I should move to like this. $58. It's not the perfect solution, to be honest. I mean, with this position absolute, because it's depending on height of line, but it's possible to think how to better organize. But with images, I love this solution. $57. Oh, it is like here. Okay. Always better one to do one time better, then it will help solve the problem in the future. Yeah, it's possible to play, but in general, yeah, I love it. Yeah, how it's resize. Yeah, perfect. Okay, what next? Again. Okay, so next section. Again, we remember 72. We remember that we developed it already. We can copy and paste. And the same thing we can do for right corner in this case, because now we have image as well. And for example, we can duplicate, and in this container we add this text plus image people. Yes. Select which width, frame 76. By left side. Okay, so let's just align them by row and wrap and space between and by center. Ready. Так, okay, here. Collaborate with us. Okay, and I think it should be wider a little bit. Yeah, 634. Okay, yes. 385. it should be 385, and it can be like full width default, and like this one, and space for image 16, image margin bottom from image 60. Okay, yeah, ready. About this image, what we can do here. I think the best case it is like image plus section, and I will do it. Oh, sorry. Here to this section plus image, which should be 50%. Upload talking person. It's about like this one, and border radius we can set up manually. 32. And from top 58. Okay. And now we can set up container. What is this? 48. Okay, 48 pixel percent. It's again copy, paste, manage your team. What's that? Here paste, space 20 pixel, and call to action. Call to action 66, maybe 60. Yeah, 60. Yes. And what we need to do, these two things. It can be, I don't know, maybe like button, but not clickable. Background, I copy background, border radius 40, and power says. Let's copy this one. This one, background I will set up like, yeah, easier, just set up CSS selector, and if I remove link, it's interesting what will be, because I need a, yes, just border radius remove, border, yeah, that's all. It's not clickable, and we can set up rotate. Let's go set up rotate 10 degrees. How we can set up rotate? It is advanced, transform, rotate 10 degrees. Yeah, and just margin top minus 40, 50, 70. It's okay. And the same we need to do for growth. It is, we can put in the end in theory it is minus 10, minus 20. Like this one, and it should be like this one, and it should be it shouldn't affect. Okay, let's go like this one. Position absolute, and we put in border in bottom right corner like 30, minus 50, minus 70. The same we do with this one, like this one. Move position absolute, top minus 70, minus 90, like this one. Yeah, publish. And in this case, if we change something here, it will not affect on it. I mean, this thing will not affect. For example, if you want to remove them, if you remove this button, it will not be changeable here. Yeah, and yeah. Oh, here we have this one. Okay, let's add them. Copy everything. Let's start from this one. It's more interesting. Copy. What we need to do, first thing, we need to add it as HTML code here, plus HTML code. Yes, but do you see it's like cutting? It's not correct. We go here, copy, paste, and we just move outside. Yes, and now I copy full. Yes, perfect. Next step, something go outside that I can scroll. Okay, we will fix. Here it is, I need position absolute, and by left 200. I don't know why it's a little bit, it should be more color, but I don't want to spend much time for it. Okay, like this one, and top 20. Okay, and for example, I have this one. And I just want example what we need to do if we want for right corner element, because it's more interesting case. Like this one, copy. It should be here. Okay, duplicate. Oh, we should image. For example, this one, it should be that index 5, and it also should be 5. For example, on top should be it is as well, and image as well. And for example, we already, for example, here we can set up selector opacity 1.5. Yeah. And now I want to work with duplicate with this one, set up like this one. It should be on right corner. Yeah, I see here, but it should be here. It should be a right corner, minus 200. Oh, to be honest, I should set up in another way. Yeah, minus 20. I should just set up this value depending from center. Yeah, let's go. It is here, selector. It should be by center. Let's go. If I remove, like remove, yeah. And here I should, how it's realizing, transform calculate, but it was for background color. How realize for this one? For example, it is from center, and from center I need translate. It's I just want to transform translate X, this one, and I need more. It should be 400, yes, and translate by Y. It's not like it should be translate how it should be, like this one, because I need setup. Yes, minus 10. Okay, and here is 0. Okay, 400. Yeah, and which problem we have? I just want to demonstrate case which create problem. Do you see? Like you can scroll right. It shouldn't be, because our website is ending here. And how handle it? And what we do with this trick? It's depending on center. For example, doesn't matter which our screen. It's keeping on one on one position. If we think about this one, do you see if I resize it move left? This moment is more correct, and it should be in theory always realize if you have time. If you don't have time, you can set up it. Yeah, and how handle problem with left right side. For example, I should block scroll to right. I should set up for this section overflow hidden. It's everything hide what we have on this section. For example, I think maybe here. Yeah. Do you see? Okay, that's all. I don't know why we see it. Need to understand. It's with the same we should do here for this section. Layout, additional overflow hidden. The same for here. We layout hidden. Perfect. Now I can scroll and it's okay. It's perfect. Yeah. So move forward next. What we do? Two section left, and it's not too much, but this slider very interesting, and we will realize now. Okay, so again we have testimonial section. We go flex row. This size 20, 72, 82, 72. Okay, 72. Again, we add it. Do we need a container, extra container? I think no. So it means like I can do like this one. Testimonial here, and here is something. This one just does 467. Yeah, and we just remove one extra container. It's okay. Okay, what we do with this one? It is carousel. Carousel. I think this one. Yeah. Here, because it's created extra container, which I don't want. Okay. 60 pixel. For carousel, we should display 4 items. Scroll 1 item. Autoply I would turn off. Infinite scroll I would turn off. Navigation arrow left. Left we upload left arrow. Right arrow. Pagination we don't have. It means like dots, progress, etc, etc. Yeah, great. And let's go. It's background, border, we have border. And let's go 24, 40. We see here carousel slider. If I click carousel, let's try set up as much as possible default things from slider. 24 pixel space, background, this one, but it's something not set up. Border radius 24, and padding 24 and 40. Oh no, bottom 24 as well. And border, this one. Okay, arrow we will set up later a little bit. Yeah. Now we need here this one image. We upload code. Which size? 39. We need setup for SVG width, because by default it can be loading 100% and it will be huge on loading page, and I recommend setup this one. Margin bottom 24. Then we add, it can be paragraph, no, it's only one text, it's heading. Ready, and each H4 for example, it's even H5, and color black, but it's something font size 20. Okay, and it's automatically attached to bottom outer. Okay, to slider we add container. In this container we add image. It's outer, of course. Outer testimonial 1. size 60 pixel. By left. It's also interesting question how we realize this one. In this case, we can put like image and something. The best case, it's again put container plus text. This one, sage 5 for example, which size? It's again like this one. And duplicate entrepreneur 4, it's text. Here 4 major this one, and it's like paragraph and color paragraph. Yeah, and what we do align this one. Full width, how we can handle it? It's like we should set up width for this container like width 100% minus image minus space. It means like for container we set up width, full width, custom width, calc, it's calculate 100% minus 80 pixel. Yes, and just for parent we like this one. Yeah, oh, it's 600 here. 600. Yeah, and slider, we should have more cases for maybe for okay, let's do another case, and we will fix like automatically resize here. Let's copy, paste here, and let's set up in 2 times more. Yeah, how we can do? I think we can try this one. It doesn't work. Yeah, because now we need set up all container like full high, like this one. It's first time. It's like, do you see different? It's like small, like by content. Now it's resized to full high of this one. And let's try this one now. Grow, yes. So now it will be automatically resized by this one. It's what I want to demonstrate for you. Okay, the same need to do here. I need for contain like grow, size grow, and for this one grow as well. Yes. Okay, and now it is like this one. I will just duplicate elements because it isn't sense spend time for it. And yeah, let's test 2 and to test 3 images. And minimum, we should add minimum. Minimum it is 70 pixel. Okay, minimum 70. For example, for not touching bottom. Okay, yes, and copy, paste. The third one. Why I can't pick content? very strange thing. Okay. Okay, and let's carousel. So, and now we should rename it 4, 5, 6, and the same here, 4, 5, 6. It's like rebuilding now, and it's like disappear, but it should be, yeah. And I repeat it more time for display it. Correct, yeah, perfect. And now what we need to do, we need to put these buttons on top. What we need to do, first of all, publish, because I don't want to lose changes which I realize here. Yes, let's go for buttons. Buttons, it's navigation, not. I need for settings, navigation here, navigation, orientation, and top. My button is here, but I need more. I need 60 minus 60. It's even 90, and left minus 60 around. It's like around because we need setup with for navigation. Navigation size. Size, which size? Button 44. Yeah. But it's not set up. Okay, now we will set up it. Like it's around right corner 0 and top minus 90. It's around, publish. I just need pick this one and set up with. Next, okay, right, transform, font size. Yeah, the problem here. Yes, I need 42, 44. Set up font size for navigation. Navigation. No. Okay. Let's go to manually. Swipe Elementor. I know that this class is the same for here. So I just pick class, font size 44 pixel. Yes. Great. It can be a little bit closer. 55. Yes, it's gray because isn't possible click left. It's only possible click right. Yeah. And for example, can we fill stroke path? For example, color black on hover and right. For example, what we need this button, then SVG, then path. It should be stroke white. Let's go. Let's try. It's not. It's easy to do it, and why not? Elementor, hover, SVG, path, stroke, F. important. Yeah, do you see? We fill white, and the second part we need to something set up black. React, something like that. I don't remember. Rect. Let's try. And background. Oh, stroke maybe. It's border. Stroke. Rect. Fill and stroke. Here, fill. Almost. Yeah, it's not always ideally work, so I would not realize it. I would just set up. For example, let's fill. Yeah, we fixed it. Like this one. Okay, what I needed? Transition. Let's try to do it smoother transition, because now it's like strict. Transition 1.3 sec, easy all. No, it doesn't work. For example, it doesn't work. Rect. Yes, and the same I need to do for pass. Is my bet already better? Not ideally, but it looks much better already. Yeah, and for example, if we reload, yeah, perfect. I love it. I love it. Great. Then we have like footer. Yeah, one moment on water, and let's go. Almost final section for desktop version. Okay, what we have? 70 pixel footer again. Flanks box, width, padding, top 70, bottom 70. How we organize? It's already demonstrate what we want to do. 2 column and like this one. So in this case we even can realize like this one. It's already generate 2 column and it's easier to work with it. 20, 7, yeah. Column, first column, 500. It is like 500 pixel, 500. This one 440. And by side. Perfect. So nothing special. It's like H1 to be honest. I mean size for image, but let's do it like H2. Just fix. Follow us 60 and margin bottom 0. And this icon 60 plus I think icon. Let's go icon. Upload SVG and upload. Or allow upload image, you should turn on in Elementor settings, I think. here should be performance. Here, enable SVG, and you will be able to upload. Do you see? It's like primary, we should set up transparent. Yeah, and here will be possible to set up link. For this one, it's size 6G, but now I see a little bit space below. I don't know how to fix. Mine is like this one. Okay, row, space, like this one, by center. Yes, and here it is like border. For this container, set up border. Border 1 pixel, 0 only for bottom, this color. That's all. And 20 pixel. Let's set up 20 on the top, 20 on the bottom. Let's check. Just interesting. Yeah, they exist. Here, company, this information. This menu, I don't know how better organize. It's possible to organize through menu, and from SEO, it's more correct. Yeah, I think we should do it. Margin, bottom, like this one. Okay, how organize it? It's like 3 column and space between them 60 pixel. Okay, I would do it with container. Oh, container for this one. Oh, so we not correct setup it. It should be container, and it's everything in this container should be. Set up here, like these ones, space, center, padding 20, and border radius, border, solid 0, bottom 1, and color. Yeah, but it's just switch. Yeah, here's that. Because it's our parent container column. This one. Margin. Like this one. So now in this column we need another default. In this column we need another container. It should be like this one. It should be by default. Here, in theory, it should be again container. In this container, we add a small h5. It's this one. Yes, just 500. Black. Color and 20. Space plus menu. It's like footer menu, but let's do menu from, I don't want to create them because it doesn't sense. It's vertical. By left side, none. Then we need typography, space 20, typography, this one, text, this one, horizontal 0, vertical 0, like this one. Correct. Yeah, and setup for container, like full width 120 pixel. It's for width. Yeah, and first let's set up hover. Black, active, black. Yeah. It's even gray even if we exist on this page, but however it can be black. Okay, yes, it's ready. And what I want to do, I column footer menu, and now we do duplicate and again duplicate. Support information. Yeah, and for example we do row and we space between, and what I got in the result, if I would set up space between them 60, and if I do smaller, there's not enough space for them. Now it will be, if we need more space, it will be less than 60 pixel, and it's much better from responsive side. And why I realize in this way, I just want to explain why I realize it, because the main point for me is teach you better do it from responsive side, think about small details, etc, etc. Yeah, and for example it can be menu 1, menu 2, menu 1. It's example. Yeah, it's done. On the right side, logo and 20 pixel. Yeah, 24. Oh, okay. Image. Here. If I'm not mistaken, like this one. Yes, and we need a line by center. Yes. Plus, it's again text. This one, it's P. Typography. This one, color, gray. 80 pixel plus form. Let's go form. Let's use Elementor form because it's much easier. Usually not often, to be honest, use Elementor forms, but if I need very fast or something like that, I realize it because it's easy and fast to do the form, but the form very bad work with spam. And for example, for my own website, I set up yesterday CAPTCHA for preventing a little bit spam. Yeah, but for this case it can be. Label, I needn't label. Email address for placeholder, and for button send it is submit. Here email, it can be for example 90 70, and button can be 30. In result we get one row. Then what we need yet, we have background color, this one. Background classic, it's not this color which we have. The background color I set up, border radius 40. Yes, For input, for gap between elements, I would set up 0. I don't need it. Oh, I need it, to be honest, because text will be bad work. Label, doesn't matter, I don't care. Fields, background color, again, as background. We need a border, and border radius I need it as well. For example, 40 here, yeah. And typography, 60 as default, P, and plus color, this one. But padding, here not exist paddings. Button, what about button? Block and button black, white, seven. I use this one. Border radius 40 and 60 and 11. Yes, and for form I need span padding 5 pixel, like this. Yeah, now we have, and I can, oh yeah, do you see focus? We have focus. We need just remove focus input, just demonstrate. Do you see? We have focus state. I think it's focus. Let's check. Selector input focus. Box shadow none. Yeah, perfect case. Yeah, that's all. And yeah, and for example, here is settings. For example, if I submit the form, field should be required, button. After submission, we collect in submission who sends the form plus email we send, for example, to email that somebody leave the form. Yeah, that's all. It's for footer and for example, do you see here is interesting case when we have border full width. Yeah, and footer with social icon. Okay, let's go. Flagged box. Here, border solid 0 for top. We set up this color and 21 pixel. We shoot the highest element in section, and from this element we should take size, not from this one, because if we set up this one, in the result it will be bigger here. So 21, 20, bottom 21, top 21. Here is like this one. Yes, left side it is text. It's paragraph. Yeah, it's paragraph, just black color. Then we click social icon, and here is like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Instagram. LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. Okay, then we have background, this one, rounded circle, correct. Then color, custom, secondary, its color icon, background white, secondary color black. Okay. Yeah, in general it's okay. For example, it's possible to set up link, and that's all. And for example, need to align elements, it's row, space, by center. I just need to do like this one. Yeah. And let's publish. Let's check that it's full on full width border. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, pretty fast, pretty easy. Yeah, from desktop version I think we are done, and now we need to fix a little bit tablet and mobile version. Yeah, because a lot of users, for example, go to, for example, from tablet version. Yeah, so what we need to fix? We need to fix, for example, space, 20, 60. We don't have design for it. Usually we can have design for it and it's much easier to work with it, but if we don't have, we can do it on our how we think it will be better. Yeah, for example, it's breakpoint tablet, it's correct. Full width it should be. Hamburger, it's okay. It's center, but I would like to put menu in the right corner. What I would do? I would do order. Here is order and I need click end. That's all. Yes, and we need to everything touch to the right side. Let's go with grow. Yes, and we just need to add 20 pixels from the right. Perfect. Yes, and icon to do bigger. Drop down, toggle menu like this one. Yeah, background color white as usually, color black, and size. Yeah, menu, I like this one, and we have this one. And drop down, let's go distance 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Yeah, for this one it's okay. For header, of course, the best practice it is like link, dynamic, site URL. It always should go to homepage. I would set up here 10 space between them. Yeah, it's good. Then second element, 80 pixel, to be honest, it's a little bit huge. What I would do, on left side and on right side I already would set up 50 pixels. It would be already for mobile as well. So the same is here, 15, bottom was 0 and top was can be 40. Yes. For typography 36, but it should be like 2 minus 2. Yeah, and width should be, yeah, like this one. I like something like that. Now we should realize for typography for this one. Let's go to site settings. In theory, we should realize it on stage creating, but I didn't have template for tablet and mobile, and we can realize now. Yeah, so for example 24, let's set up 80 size, 80. For H2 30. For 16 we keep 80 and we keep it. Okay, perfect. Yeah, but it's like here is -3. I should do like -2, and here -1. It's minus like this. Okay, let's keep. I don't care about it. Okay, save. And what we will get in the result? Now it should be for tablet much better with size, because we already, it will be set up all apply. Yeah, do you see? It's much better. Yeah, so we have on background this HTML. I don't know what to, I would just hide them and that's all for tablet and mobile. Yeah, let's do. I don't want to care about them. Yeah, it's mobile. It's too much. I would set up 80. Yeah, 80 is good. And 100%. Yes, here. Again 50. No, 15 and 40. Let's do 40 for columns. It will be for mobile as well. And space between these items, it should be 10 between them. Yeah, and in theory we should do padding smaller here, but I don't want to spend time on it. Yeah, it's margin here 20. It's good, it's good. Again 50, 40, 40. Again here 10. Setup between elements, do you see? It's out. Oh, okay, just go for full width. Oh, full width doesn't work. Oh, okay. Let's go like with this. And here I connect like 10, but we have a little bit more problem with this. I don't know. We should set up, for example, this for custom. Um, 20. Yeah. Custom 220 and 34 20, for example, and yes. What we do with next section? It's not ideal, but need to ask developer, not developer, designer, to do better design, and you will sort better. 10 as well here. Next section 50 dark, 40, sorry. I would keep it, it's okay. I would just move a little bit, minus 50, 60, it's okay. And also it's minus 50, it's okay. 30. Yeah, maybe we need to fix a little bit arrows here. Cell, I would demonstrate 2 items. Yeah, it is. It's here is custom size. Yeah, I would set up 80. 80 and space, not 70, like 40. And I just duplicate this style for all of them. Paste style, paste style. Yeah. So it's good, and arrows is good. Maybe space I would remove to 30. Yeah, and now we need a align arrow. Carousel. Here align minus 60. 70. Yeah, like this one. Okay, we are waiting until loading. Here 50, 40, 40. It's like about I just do how I like it. Maybe in designer can create better. I just create space between 2 elements because I don't want to touch them. Here 36 with 48, like this one. It's good, it's also good. And here 50. Yeah, that's all. I think it's good. Yeah, and let's go to publish and let's check how it is on tablet version. Tablet version usually I use, it's like my minimum. This one. Yeah, it's here not perfect, but we can improve its size, text, maybe to do smaller. Yeah. And in theory, for example, maximum our tablet, this one, but in theory it's everything should be well as well. Yeah. Do you see something problem with this image? Here, what I need to do, I need to do bigger. I can do like this one. If I do bigger, it will not stuck. Yeah, fixed. It's good. It's good. In theory, it should be less. I don't know why it's here is 4. But I don't care. Yeah, so a perfect case it's when we develop tablet version like this one. Oh, now it's aligned here. Also, we can't click here because it will switch to desktop version as well. So I would set up like this one. So I like when we develop, for example, tablet version here, and if we do mobile tablet version another with, it also looks good. I love it. It should be in perfect case it. Yeah, and footer I would align by top. Here I would align by top. It's more correct in my opinion. Yeah, and here space 4. Okay, perfect. And let's go to mobile. Mobile, this one inline, it means like how much we want, and we don't demonstrate this button. I don't know, or we won't demonstrate. Okay, for not spending much time on it, I don't want to demonstrate it. Yeah, and it will be like this one. It's okay. And yeah, mobile, good. It's good. Yeah, we should fix this one, of course. Be honest, like this one. Yeah, I need space here, bottom, too much. It's 10. $75. Yeah, and for example, what I want to do, it's by left 20. And here 20. Yeah, and 50. Let's go with 50. And here with 8. Okay, heading, style, this one copy, paste. Yeah, just need to move below because only 2 rows here. I think I go with this one, like paste style, paste style, paste style. Then I need this take because here is only 2 rows, but here will be 3 rows. Yes, here, yes, and like this one, and just to fix 60, 57. Yeah, this one is good, powerful. To be honest, it even looks good, just minus 75. And here should be full width. Here I can hide on mobile. Top like this one, and bottom like this one. Here bottom 20, grow minus 30. Yeah, but it looks like very strange. I would hide. Here I need to do custom for not text not covering buttons. Yeah, like this one. Here let's try to do in 1 row. I don't know how it will be, why it happened, because column automatically become 100%, and like this one, like this one, like this one. And let's try. and space. Yeah, good. I love it. This should be follow us border 70 pixel. Follow us. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah, I love it. And here we should margin bottom 20. Yeah. So it's like approximately, for example, I set up mobile. Yeah, mobile button. Oh yeah, do you see? It's not good. What I need less margin top, and I need wider. I need to do wider. What I would do? First of all, I need wider, but how possible to do it? Here, margin top. Why margin top? Margin top here, yeah. Here, let's go with 20. Here, let's go with 10. Here, yes. Okay, let's go with, I don't know, I need bigger, but it's not allow me bigger than 100%, but I want selector min width like this one, and now margin left 10%, minus 10%. Yeah, it's much better, and just need to margin top minus 23, 4. Yeah, let's go with this one, how it is now, example, and how it will look now. Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, mobile, it's good, it's good, it's good. Okay, it can be better, but yeah, and for example, would be good to upload image like square, like these images. Upload for first two, because first two not like square. This is good, this is good. Perfect, I love it. Yeah, and I would add space here. Here, margin top 20. For separate links from a logo. Yeah, it's much better. So you can you can see final result, the landing page. I love it. It looks very nice. It took not much time to develop it. Also, it's adapted to mobile and to tablet version, iPad. Yeah, do you see the problem here? It is like we apply image style for everything, but we need to media require. One moment. Yeah, so we paste and apply only for mobile. It is like only maximum width for screen, like this one. Perfect. And now we have perfect case. Yes, like this one, it's adapt to this. Oh, now I copy pasted style and it a little bit broke. Perfect. So now we have final result, landing page. I love it very much. It took not very much time to develop it, but it's also responsive on mobile and on tablet. One moment. Yeah, tablet version. It's not perfect, but it can be improved. Yeah, I love it. I love it. And mobile version, iPhone 100%. And on mobile version, just reload that everything load. Okay. Yeah, I love it. So if you like the video, please click like, click subscribe, and leave comment that you learned something new. Of course, I remember that I will leave link to the in the video to the description that to free this template, link to this page where you can see demo, third link where you can download this template already developed by me. For example, fill out the form and we will send you template to your email. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. You learned something new. See you in next video. Bye bye.